Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the phone is ready. Keep it powered and unlocked so you can change views quickly. Once done, open Settings from your home screen or app drawer. That's where system usage logs live. If you prefer shortcuts, pull down and tap the gear icon. Next, use the Settings search bar and type Screen Time or Digital Balance. That search speeds you past menus. Make sure you tap the exact match to enter the usage dashboard. Now you're inside the Screen Time dashboard. This is where you read the numbers. You'll see today's total screen time up top and a breakdown by app below. Tap the chart to switch between day, week, or month. Once you select an app, you can view session lengths and how often you opened it, which explains where time is spent. If you want finer control, tap the small graph or arrow to expand usage cards and see hourly peaks and averages. Finish by acting on what you learned. Set app timers or enable focus modes right from the same screen so future usage drops. Make sure daily and weekly reports are turned on if you want automated summaries. If screen time or digital balance is missing, check for a system update in settings. Sometimes the feature arrives via an update and retry the search. If problems persist, restart the phone. That clears minor glitches and usually restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.